The reason for sneezing. The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe in some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust. Your body rejects it. It should, and it must. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Enforcement is sent to your lungs from your brain. Many muscles contract to push that sneeze through. That's your port and belly and chest muscle too. Your eyes shut. Your tongue on the roof of your mouth. This for your nose to blow that breath out. And you blow out it well. It explodes with great power. A sneeze can go 100 miles an hour, 161 kph. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause you to sneeze a lot too. Think of a sneeze as a nature alarm. A sneeze is a difference that keeps us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in mind a comment. Cover your nose with arm or your hand.